Wi-Fi speed to handle a house full of devices. Can your internet do that?
Get started with Xfinity TV and internet for $54.99 a month and get a speed upgrade included, all for 12 months. Or until May 6th, ask how to get even more with a free upgrade to gig speed for a year. Go
Nope.
online, call 1-800-XFINITY. Or
You
visit
might.
the store today.
You might.
Requires paperless billing and autopay and 6/20/21. Restrictions apply. New choice double play 200 megabits per second customers only. Equipment, taxes, and fees including BTVP extra and subject to change. After promo, regular rates apply. Actual speeds vary and not guaranteed. Gig upgrade offer limited to standard plus more with 2-year agreement. Gig Wi-Fi requires gigabit internet and compatible Wi-Fi gateway and is shareable across devices.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
There goes this one.
Even Nellie Stevens'
WBIG's went on.